Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are back on Minecraft once again. I'm gonna go into my iCarly world and to show you something that I built. I actually built this iCarly studio. It's not finished, but I decided to build it. So let's show it. Let me show you. Okay. Here is the iCarly studio. It's really not that great. I even put an iCarly live up there. Yeah. And then look at this. The car. I still have to add a few more things, guys. That's what I still have to add, but let's go check out more of the apartment. This is Spencer's bot sculpture. I forgot to show you this in the previous episode. I didn't think I had it in the previous episode. This is the counter. Whoops. This is the counter. These are the cabinets. Oh yeah, and this is their really old-fashioned computer that they used to have up there. Oh yeah, guys, I have a Carly skin. I have an iCarly skin. See that? It's Carly. I also have a Sam skin. I actually have a Cat Valentine skin from Victorious. And Sam and Cat. Well, basically all I needed to show you. Oh yeah, I switched the door. Because I accidentally broke the door that was originally here. But now that I've switched it around and all of that in a sort of way. Sorry guys, you can't see this, but I just did. But I just put my lips out like this. I'll show you. I put my lips out like this. Okay, so this is Freddy's apartment. Freddy's apartment, right here. Carly's. Yep. Oh, you like how I added the big giant red 8 by her door, and 8 equals C by her door, and 8 equals D by Freddy's door, and all that. Yeah. Sorry this is really short, but I'm gonna make it longer and just explore a little bit on the apartments and all that. I might even build the Sam and Cat apartment over here. There's a villager with this horse over here. I just want to make this video long enough until it reaches 15 minutes, because then I gotta end it, because that's the max recording time reaches on my screen recorder. Oh yeah, I also added the black chair they have in the actual apartment. I wanted to add some more details. I'm actually gonna search up paintings. I'm gonna add some paintings up. Okay. Oh shoot! There's probably gonna be a painting covering it. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna try and rebuild this! Why do I keep breaking it? I legitimately keep on breaking it. Oh my gosh! Do you see how big this photo is? as you guys know, in the actual apartments, there's like pictures everywhere, so that's what I'm trying to put up. Like a lot of pictures. Yeah. And I'm glad that upstairs actually leads to something now. Well, yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm not gonna make this video too short, so I might play something. I might get some more like ideas on what you guys want me to do next. As it's really disappointing that Freddy's apartment just leads outside. It doesn't lead anywhere, guys. I'm sorry, but it doesn't. As much as you guys really wanted me to, I couldn't really because you know, since it's hardly ever shown in the series. It's literally hardly ever shown. So 8 equals C, 8 equals D. You guys thought this apartment leads somewhere. Right, guys? You actually thought it led somewhere. My mic! Alright, guys, I'm taking it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!